Hello and welcome to another snazzy video. Today I'm going to be attempting to DIY a bulk bag, as you all already know from the title. The first thing you will need is some fabric, and I'm using some leftover muslin from a recent sewing project. You'll also need some thread and something to cinch up the bag, which could even be an old shoelace, but I'm going to be using some twine to have an aesthetic twiny look, if you know what I mean. I am going to use my sewing machine because my mediocre sewing skills need as much professional help as they can get, but you can also totally sew this by hand. It just might take a little while. And you will need scissors, unless you want to rip your fabric with your bare hands, but I don't suggest doing that. I cut my fabric into a rectangle, and it really doesn't have to be exact because this is more about practicality than beauty, although I do need to make it look good enough for a fancy thumbnail. Then I fold it over and pin the edges into place with pins, which is optional but recommended. Make sure to leave about an inch of a gap at the top because this is going to be folded over to create the cinchy thing, the drawstring, that's what it's called. Then I sewed up both sides, and then I folded over and pinned the top edge to make a little tube of fabric. Do not sew up this hole because you will need to feed the twine, or whatever you're using, shoelaces, through it at the end. Then I tried to sew that part up, but my sewing machine started jamming, so I had to sew the rest by hand, as you can very clearly tell. Does it look like a third grader did it? Yes. But does it still work properly? Yes, and that's kind of all that matters. Then I struggled to get the twine to go all the way around the top of the bag, but in the end I managed to make it work. If you're having a hard time with this, you can attach the end of the twine to a safety pin and pull that through, which might make it a little easier. I cut it, tied it in a knot, and was finished with my mediocre but efficient bulk bag. Here are some aesthetic clips of the bag in the sun and modeling the gorgeous oats it can carry. Overall, it did not turn out perfectly, but I'm pretty proud of the end result, considering I didn't practice this before filming. I hope you all enjoyed it, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, because why not? Also, if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe, because it's free, helps my channel, and I have a very exciting video planned for next weekend. Thank you all so much. I hope you're doing well, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.